Hey, how's everybody doing? I'm going to do a video on my military train. In my last video, some people saw my military train in the background and commented that they liked the airplanes and figured I'd do a video on it. Hopefully I can do it in one take because no idea how to edit videos and let's give it a shot. Now, most military trains I've seen out there are army based, and I wanted to do one as well, but I couldn't find one. I couldn't find any M1 Abrams tanks in 148 scale that were reasonably priced to work up a consist for. But then Metka came out with this custom SD70 in the scheme of a World War II F6F Hellcat for Squadron VF-27, and it's famous for war. During World War II, the Navy didn't allow squadrons to have nose art, but this squadron did, and Metka put the nose art on the engine. And then Train World also did a custom run for a Navy plane. This one is Grumman F-14 Tomcat in the Jolly Rogers paint scheme, based on an airplane that was in the movie The Final Countdown. And I've got a love for naval aviation and World War II naval aviation, and so I figured, okay, I got these engines and do a consist of it. So to do my train loads, I actually got some plastic model kits and made up a bunch of airplanes for, these are the first three are F6F Hellcats. Now I wanted to put F-14s on there, but they're too big, they wouldn't fit if I did them per scale. So if you go back in the lineage of the VF-84 Jolly Rogers, their original squadron was VF-17 in World War II, and they flew Corsairs. And that's what we've got back here. Our Corsairs, and you can see they've got the same Jolly Roger logo on the nose that the modern squadron has. Actually, I think VF-84 has been disbanded and a new squadron took on the lineage. And then adding to that, I've got some RMT Navy boxcars, and they're custom runs from Pat's Trains, and then Pat's Train tank car, and then a Navy caboose. So let's start this up and run it around the layout. Oh, and both these engines have a nice custom sound set with a machine gun sound in place of the bell. I always have a hard time turning it off. Come on. And in place. There we go. And then in place of the horn, one of the options, it's got regular horns, but one of the options is this air raid siren. So let's run it around the layout. that's my military training.